Our success story this week takes us to Jacksonville, Florida, where an alternative fuel is helping the maritime industry become eco-friendly. Clean-burning liquefied natural gas, LNG, is now making inroads in this super-sized, fuel-hungry transportation sector. At the Jacksonville Port Authority, the Crowley Maritime LNG facility can fuel giant container ships like the Taino with LNG at the rate of 2,700 gallons per minute.
Ships have burned, very dirty fuel, and over time, those fuels have become, cleaner and cleaner. So, in the evolution of marine fuels, using liquefied natural gas is kind of the next progression in marine fuels when it comes to burning a cleaner fuel.
The North Florida Clean Fuels Coalition aided partner Pivotal LNG in opening the processing plant only 15 miles from the port. It's the first small-scale maritime plant in the United States, all to help make the Sunshine State's coastal waters crystal clear.